The reported statement of the Chief Minister after the expose made by our environmentalist Bab Rajendra Kerkar on the work that has been started by the Maharashtra government on the Virdi side, and our Chief Minister saying that he has prepared a notice to issue to the government of Maharashtra, is a biggest jumla can be spun by any Chief Minister. A government that does not care, have respect for the rule of law after the matter is pending before the Supreme Court, and yet does illegal things, whether it is Maharashtra, whether it is Karnataka. What message is it giving to its citizen? That you need not follow the law. And then they preach that you should not take law in their hands. When a state's actions is going to affect the economy of our state, the environment of our state, the very livelihood of our state, the Chief Minister should ask the Home Minister, who is also belongs to his party, to immediately intervene in this matter. There is no heinous crime than this, that a state against another state, whose actions are going to determine and create problems, as I have said, to the economy, to the environment, including its biodiversity and the livelihood. You should ask the Home Minister that this would be a right situation to tell the Maharashtra government to stop, if not dissolve, and send that government home.